Hey, what's up YouTube? Want to do a quick video of my 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Shaker. Just want to do a quick cold start video. So here we go. Such a pleasing sound, especially when it first starts up. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I got my 0 to 60 time down to 4.9 seconds yesterday, which is pretty impressed. Now, this car is rated at 4.4 seconds for 0 to 60, so I'm getting there. It is definitely better if you put the car in sport mode and turn the traction control on. Really helps out a lot with the wheel spin. Now, this 4.9 seconds I achieved, I didn't use launch mode, so that's going to be my next move with this. I'm going to launch the car, hopefully maybe sometime today, if not next week for sure. And I imagine with the launch mode I'll get a better I'll get closer to that 4.4 seconds that this car is capable of doing. But like I said, so I did the 4.9 0 to 60 in sport mode with the traction control on, and it really helped out as opposed to having the traction control off. So I spent a lot of less time spinning the rear tires here. So, but yeah, just a quick little video of the cold start. I'll give you guys some revs of the shaker scoop here. Sounds so great. Alright, well, I got a couple things to do today, and I got a couple of surprises that I'll be uploading to my channel here. So you guys stay tuned. Let me know what you guys are doing to your challengers, and let me know you guys' 0 to 60 times. Yeah, stay tuned for more.